Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install IPA files in your iPhone in iOS 17. As you know that before iOS 17 release, there were news that in iOS 17 we will be able to install or sideload IPA file in iPhone in official way. So after the iOS 17 release, there is no any option that how you can install IPA file or sideload IPA file in your iPhone. So let me show you how you can install IPA file on your iPhone. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So simply go to Safari browser and go to flexstore.com. So once you are on this website, you can simply click on install or you can click on use in browser. And this is a paid subscription, but if you click on my link in the description you will get 2 month premium as a gift. So once you're on the website, simply go to device, register your UDID and become the premium member. And if you use my link you will get 2 month premium subscription for free. So once you're here and you have made the account successfully, then simply go to this signer. Now here you will see the option select IPA file. So if you have downloaded IPA file in iPhone, you can click on select, click on choose file. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the IPA file. To install the IPA file, simply select the IPA file that you want to install. Then click on sign app and then just wait until the uploaded is complete. Once the upload is complete, you will get this, open this page in iTunes, click on open and then simply click on install. Now you can go back to the home screen and here you will see that the Delta emulator that IPA select is installing. So here we go. This is how you can sideload any IPA file into your iPhone. Now you can run this application, but to run this application you have to turn on the developer mode. You can enable the developer mode in the settings. You can go to settings, then you can simply scroll down, click on privacy and security, scroll down and here you will see developer mode. You can turn this on. Once you turn on the developer mode, you will be able to run the application. So hope this video helps you to install the IPA file in your iPhone. Make sure that you use my link to get free 2 month subscription. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.